After finding my own 360-degree stand for my iPad mini 6, I went back to AliExpress to see if I can find my own magnetic arm for it, kind of like the one from Xiaoku I use for my iPad Pro, but sometimes buying anything off AliExpress can kind of always be a mixed bag. Hello and welcome back. It is V. I am always trying to find the best accessories for the iPad mini 6. Granted, it never gets any of the cool stuff like the bigger iPads. This magnetic arm clamp can be picked up off AliExpress for around $30. It goes in and out of stock a lot. It took me about 4 months to finally get a hold of this, and I wish there were more vendors that kind of sold this so it's easier to find. The case itself can be picked up for around $6. I've actually owned this case since December of last year because I've been waiting for the stand to go back into stock. It's really a mixed bag. The clear case just snaps onto the iPad. There is a magnetic ring on the back side which snaps to the mount. When you do buy the mount, you're given an adhesive ring you can slap to whatever case. For a reference point, for an older video, I made my own MagSafe case for the Mini 6. The tablet is small enough, it can work from stands to grips to ring holders, just a whole variety of different products. I will list that video down below how you make the case. It's pretty simple, and not many accessory makers really take advantage of the magnetic back. I generally lean to more of that. Overall, it is pretty straightforward. You take off the cover, you slap the adhesive magnetic ring to whatever case you want. You don't have to use the clear one instead of picking up two different products. I picked up the clear case just for presentation purposes only. You don't need it. They sell the same clear case you can pick up off AliExpress for the iPad Pros, for the 9th gen, a whole variety of different tablets. But this arm mount is more ideal for any tablet under 9 inches because the tablets are lightweight. This magnetic arm can't hold too much weight to it. This is the only real arm I've seen for the Mini 6. Either way, both of these cases will work. You only need the metal ring on the back side to hold any tablet to it. I'm more of a fan of the magnetic ones. I've had this case from Zetotop for my iPad mini 6 for about 2 years now. It has held up so well. I am more of a fan of just having anything magnetic attached to my iPad mini 6. So the mini 6 is held up with just magnets. I'm just more of a fan of this idea. Either way you look at it, the magnetic ring on the backside is quite strong, it's sturdy, your tablet will not fall off. I have used this arm for about a month or so now, and the magnets have not given out yet. It's held up pretty good so far, with having some peace of mind knowing the Mini 6 will not fall on the floor and crack. If you are like me, and you do like some good sci-fi dramas with a wonderful cast of characters, which spans over a dozen books, XForce by Craig Allison is a series to really check out. Pre-order now for book 16, which does drop in December. Right now with my promo code, you can get 2 free audiobooks, 30 days for free, and after the free trial, it's $14.95 a month. You can cancel at any time. Re-listening with Skippy and Joe is such a wild ride. This series is one worth checking out. Getting to the arm, it can clamp up to 2 inches on whatever desk. This arm can be adjusted to whatever angle is needed. Because the tablet attaches to the arm with a magnetic ring, it can rotate 360 degrees all the way around. The joints can be adjusted with a hex screw to make them a little bit tighter or make them a little bit more loose. The arm is made in inferior aluminum. I've had this stand before previously for a different model. Any smaller tablet will work just fine. Just not having a whole lot of weight to put too much pressure on the arm. On the last model I reviewed, the screws were stripped within a week. I try to avoid tightening or loosening the screws. I don't want to strip them. They're really not the best quality out there. The arm has a couple different segments, can be adjusted to pretty much whatever angle is needed. I tend to put it more into like a lightning bolt. Not to put too much force on top, so it's not really top heavy, it will fall over. With the stand being so cheap, around $30, it's not overly expensive. If this product was about $50 or $60, I would say to avoid this product, but with it only being around $30, it's not bad. If looking for a universal arm clamp, any device out there, like I said, for around $30, this will get the job done. The quality is not the best, but it is passable, especially for that cheap price point. This stand is not the best quality. It's not really the best for drawing. It will work, but it does have quite a bit of shake to it. Even just touching it, it does not stop shaking. If it is angled, kind of like a lightning bolt, it's not terrible. Is it the best thing out there? No. But is it decent for the price point? Absolutely. This is just a universal stand. This will work with any of the iPads, any tablets from Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, Google. Any of those will work with the adhesive magnetic ring that is bundled into the stand, but the stand really can't handle too much weight. Any tablet that weighs more than the iPad mini 6, 500 grams, is pretty much the maximum weight that this stand can handle. At the end of the day, not every tablet has accessories for a magnetic table clamp like what the iPad Pros have. Going into this, it's not the best product out there, but for the price point, for what it offers, even with its faults, I do like this. I can get behind it. I have been using this with my Mini 6 for about the last month or so now, so you know the drill. It's V. I will catch you later. Peace.